For teams stuck in Excel hell, we see most of the time that they just have a tough time learning a new tool. Power BI can be a very daunting thing to learn, and so our trainings are tailored for those users. Through our training programs, you get very immersed into Power BI with report development and learning how to automate your own reports. An enterprise team should sign up for Collectiv's Power BI training to get a kickstart into Power BI.
Collectiv offers a wide variety of Power BI trainings. Our most common type of training we offer is our Power BI fundamentals training. It allows beginners to really get their hands into the tool and takes them all the way from connecting to your data, bringing that into Power Query, transforming the data, and then finally loading that into the Power BI desktop where you can start building out your visualizations. So if you're already up to speed with Power BI and you're at that intermediate level, Collectiv also offers advanced trainings. Those advanced trainings include data modeling in Power Query, advanced DAX, as well as visualizations best practices.
In our workshop training, you can expect very hands-on experience with Power BI and doing Power BI development. In our workshop trainings, we ask that teams bring an Excel report that they produce weekly, and I bring them through the process of rebuilding that inside of Power BI and automating that report. The normal aha moments are typically when they realize how easy it is to rebuild their report in Power BI. They no longer have to manually refresh spreadsheets. It's just at the click of a button and almost complete, fully automated.
You'll find a lot of Power BI trainings online to where you can go through the step-by-step guided approach. You're not really learning anything, in my opinion. You're just kind of information in, information out. Our trainings are different. They're instructor-led by some of our lead Power BI consultants, and we're teaching you in a classroom environment, so you're really getting that, that student to teacher interaction. A lot of times, if you're trying to learn Power BI on your own or some of these online courses, there are a couple hours here, a couple hours there, and it's really hard to focus and actually learn the tool. Our offerings are usually held during a half a day or full day segments to where you're in a room with your peers and everybody's goal is the same. So we're all trying to learn Power BI. We're confined in that space. You don't have other work priorities, pulling you away. Who benefits most from these Power BI trainings? And the answer to that is really anyone. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're at the intermediate level to where you just need a refresher on how to use the tool properly, or again, if you're wanting to go from that intermediate level to the advanced level. Collectiv has offerings for each level that you're at, and we're here to help, and we just want to make sure that everybody is successful throughout their Power BI journey.